The MDD series integrates dehumidification and drying into a single unit, primarily for efficient drying of hygroscopic materials, such as PA and PC. An optional floor stand is used outside the injection molding machine. A new special gear transmission mode can eliminate manufacturing errors in honeycomb structures, avoiding slipping and installation issues caused by conventional belt transmission, thereby enhancing the stability of honeycomb components. Two brushless DC blowers can adaptively adjust their RPMs to conserve energy. The adaptive energy-saving drying function adjusts airflow and temperature based on materials and requirements, conserving energy and preventing excessive drying. The machine can be directly mounted on the injection molding machine to automatically dehumidify and dry the materials. It can also use a floor stand to dehumidify and dry materials. The MDD series Mini-Dehumidifying Dryer features a compact design and a dehumidifying and drying function, making it suitable for production with footprint limitations. Its powerful adaptive energy-saving function provides a significant boost to productivity. The machine offers various sizes for selection to meet the production demands of most users.